This is my BMX bike, and in today's video, I'll be stripping the whole entire BMX bike to spray paint it. So, let's get started. Alright, so I just finished the entire bike with taking the parts, except for the forks and the front wheel. For some reason, this one bolt on the front wheel is not coming off, and I pretty much got the whole headset off, but still, right at the end, when I'm about to take it off, it's getting super hard. So I'm gonna wait till my dad gets home, and he's gonna do that. So, yeah, I'll catch you when the paint gets here. Alright guys, I'm at Home Depot right now. I finished taping it on. Now, I'm gonna get some paint and I'm gonna get some sandpaper. So yeah, let's go. Alright guys, so I just got the goodies. I got 180 grit to start to do the whole thing, and then I got 400 to finish it off. And then I got 2 cans of French blue with primer in this. I don't need to get primer actually. And then I got some clear gloss to make it shiny. So yeah. Alright, so I just got everything off except the forks. I couldn't get them off for some reason, so I just taped them. Alright guys, so that's the end of the force coat. Now, I'm gonna just move on to where we're done. Let's go. Alright guys, so I just finished the bike, and now the next clip is gonna be me building it all out. Let's go. Alright guys, so I just finished my bike. It looks crazy, but anyways, now I'm just gonna be the final reveal in 3, 2, 1, and alright guys, so the bike turned out great. There's still a few things I need to do, but that's for the next video. Anyways, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'm out.